Hello, and welcome to Savor the Southwest. I'm here today making some lavender infused honey, but I also want to take a moment to talk to you folks, my lovely audience, about the fact that some of you feel we're a little casual, okay? Some folks back east are so used to having sleeves on their shirts. Well, the comment was that you appear so casual. It's 85 degrees in my house, so no, I'm not going to have a sleeve on my shirt. But B, I'm not going in front of the Senate subcommittee for something or other. I don't need a three-piece suit. We are here in the Southwest, and we are casual in the Southwest, folks. That's what we are. And this is kind of casual cooking. I do try to give you measurements when it matters. But when we're making lavender tea, I just said, well, put enough lavender in there to fill up, with honey. That's it. That's the recipe. A lot of cooking can be very, very casual and very easy. There's no need to be fussy about it. We're not, making some cordon bleu chefy thing here. We're making food for our family to eat. But this brings up the point. If you've got a really fussy family, or if you want to be able to replicate exactly what you did once, then do write it down, follow recipes and everything. But we're not fussy, especially not in this family. My gosh, we grew up on a farm. Both of us, separately farms. Your choices when it came to dinner were eat it or don't. You either ate it or you went to bed hungry. There was no, oh, you made my peanut butter and jelly sandwich with the wrong jelly. Oh no, you either eat it or go hungry. So we're very kind of, if it didn't quite turn out, we'll eat it anyway. And we'll remember for next time, okay, next time, not so much salt. What was that famous, All in the Family, where Edith says, I think you've got enough salt in there. So basically, remember tastes. This is the hardest part. And yes, be casual. Have fun with your cooking. You're supposed to savor the Southwest and enjoy what you're doing. And don't be so strung out about having it precisely right, because we want you to enjoy. So thanks for watching. Savor the Southwest.